Hey everyone, I was just working with a client and the Flower Essence Fringed Violet showed up, so I thought I'd do a quick little thing about it and then have our little energy balance around Fringed Violet energy. It's an Australian bush flower essence, and the phrase at the beginning, they often have phrases and quotes at the beginning, which I love. This one's by Eileen Caddy, Footprints on the Path. Be at peace and see a clear pattern and plan running through all your lives. Nothing is by chance. And as we've chatted before, why are we here on the planet in this now time, in this now moment? If we believe in the universal energy and God energy and the energy of love and the energy of universal will, we are here right now because we're meant to be here right now. What are we learning? What are we moving forward with? Fringed violet energy, the negative conditions associated with it are damage to the aura, shock and trauma, lack of psychic protection, poor recuperation since a trauma or shock, and fear of physical contact since a rape or an assault. So you can imagine it's been psychological warfare on the planet, whether it's accidentally by governments or by MSM. This has been happening. Regardless of how we've been coping, this is happening on the planet. So we've been challenged, we've been suppressed, we've been minimized, we've been told what to do. We've had less of our freedoms available to us in the last 22 months than we've had. Well, certainly never in my lifetime have I ever been suppressed this much. And I know that most of you will be feeling that same energy, regardless of how we've coped, regardless of the decisions we've made. So the positive outcomes are removal of effects of recent or old traumas, reintegration of physical and etheric bodies, and psychic protection. So the affirmations associated with Fringed Violet: my life force now radiates good health and vitality, and I am balanced and integrated and have universal protection now. So there what I'm going to infuse into our balance. Okay, part 2 coming up, Fringed Violet energy.